toasty, and I'm going to show you how you can make this vehicle remote start from the factory key fob. Come on, let's check it out.
I'm wondering if it'll page back to the remote. Look, it does. That's pretty sweet. It was different. It's definitely not the type of thing that I normally do.
The first step in the installation process is to remove the dash trim covers. There's a 10mm bolt hidden behind this panel right here. With the bolts and trim cover removed, I'll dismount the factory airbag to give me more access and workspace within the dash. It's not uncommon for Lexus vehicle installations to be pretty involved. On this one, I have to remove the BCM in order to be able to access a couple of wiring locations on the back. So I'll go ahead and take it out, removing all of the plugs and then safely placing it on the floorboard.
Shut up! So I hit him with the 750.
Now, I'm gonna need you to come down on that price a little bit, though. Actually, a lot, though. They always want the low, bro. Unless it's
just so over it. I just bought my wife this $80,000 car.
Yeah.
Just because I'm not there. And this is what we be. Got a grocery list.
Been quick to say that I'll give you a discount on the third car. You bring me a third one, hell yeah, dude. The first one, it's full pop.
And what's so funny is people will be like, I'll get you all this work. But don't you realize you're getting me work?
Yeah, it's not like I'm getting a discount, right? I'm just being busy. I guess that assumes that you're not busy, right?
A great location to install the antenna would be here on the glass. I try to get mine in the center of the windshield so that way it has the least metal that's blocking it and it'll have the best range. Once I have the antenna mounted to the windshield, I'll go ahead and just tuck the wiring into the headliner and down the A-pillar. The ES350, like most vehicles, is equipped with an airbag within the A-pillar. It's important to tuck the wiring behind the airbag so that way nothing gets damaged in the event of the airbag being deployed.
Yeah, it's like, dude, there's a cost.
Next, I'll prep my brain unit and mount the siren. In all of my installations, I solder, heat shrink, and then tape the wiring in order to make a very clean and very integrated looking installation. I also do this so that way there are no issues for the owner in the future and for the integrity of the system and its longevity. Since all of my clean terminations are done, I'm going to go ahead and reinstall the BCM. It's a pretty involved process, like I said, because it has 20 plugs and 3 10 mils, but no matter what, it had to come out. Now it's got to go back in. The negative parking light wire is here in the steering column, but with that's the final termination. So now all I have left is to reassemble the dash and get everything back together. So there you have it, the Compustar 2WQ900AS, a fully featured color screen remote start system that integrates well with factory alarm systems. Fully drone capable for GPS tracking and cell phone connectivity. This is a top tier alarm system, and I was so grateful to be able to install it on this vehicle. Thank you for watching. Can't thank you enough for joining me on this journey. On my channel, I've done so many different audio builds, and I teach car audio. So if you're interested, why not consider subscribing or just check out my channel. I've got tons of more projects in the